Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this electronic touchscreen door lock. Okay, these smart locks are pretty fun to work with. We have quite a few on our house and we like them a lot. Some are fingerprints, some are keypad, but with the keys, they all come with the keys too, so that's nice just in case the battery doesn't work or whatever. So we have the key set there, we have the little stopper for the door jamb there. We have our bolt, little Allen key with some screws, and then we have our handle. That is really solid. That feels like commercial grade there. Basically just a solid chunk of metal there. That's going to be pretty impressive. So I'm going to be installing this for you, my friends. And here is the outside portion. Seems like really beefy and strong. This seems like it's going to be a nice addition. I'm going to be putting this on my tree house out in the backyard. So I'll be doing an install for you all there. Okay, let me get this back in the box. I'll take it out there in the back and show you how to install it. Okay friends, so first thing we want to do is get our this established. So I'm just going to put that in there and then screw that into place. Oh, let's just slide this right in here. Make sure that this is facing towards the door and screw that in real quick. Okay, here we go. There's one. There we go. Perfectly flush. Now, let's get our striker plate in there. So right over here. Alright, so obviously we want this facing that direction like that. And then, let's see if these screws are... Look, it's okay, buddy. I got my cat right there. See if this screw's long enough here. If not, we might have to adjust it a little bit, but that's okay. All right. Looks like it's going to hold pretty good in the metal door there. Okay. Looks pretty solid. Back to the other door. Okay, so here we go. This front plate is going to have the numbers here and the key lock, and we're going to slide this square part through there, and then also get our wire going in there through the top. So you just want to make sure that wire is feeding through the top as well. It wants to bend there, so I want to get it straight because it's got to go kind of in the top, along the top there. So okay, got through there, and then just be careful not to pinch the wire, and that should just fit on there like that. Okay, super simple. And there we go. See, you have that wire fed over the top here like that. All right. Next we have plate and some screws. This face plate is going to go right on there like this. Okay, and I'll get my screws out here. Okay, here we go. So these screws gonna go right through here and hold that on there. Okay, sorry about this, kind of in your way there. Just need to see where my screw's going. Okay, once we got those lined up, then we can screw those in. Nice as you please. See, I'm just going to use my screwdriver. It's a lot easier. Okay. All right, that is nice and snug on the front there. And then we're just going to take this one. And of course, that's going to plug in right there. Push that in there if we can. Get that little wire in there. All right. That's just going to kind of feed around our thing here too. So, all right, once we get that there, and this is going to go over that like that. Make sure we're all good there. And we take these 3 little screws they gave us. Okay, and we're just going to screw these onto the plate here. There we go. I'm not going to tighten them all the way yet. Want to make sure we get them all on there. And then I can tighten them up once I know that they're all in place here. Okay. Okay. There we go. Next we have our handles. Let's see which one's going on there. All right. All right, so from what I could tell, these handles are identical. So put one on the front there. Let's see here. Actually, that's not the case. So it depends on where you have your thing facing. So they're only going to go on one way, and once you figure that out, you can just slip them on there. And then to hold your handles in place, you have these little tiny screws here. Get them on your Allen key, just like that. And then just tighten them down right on there. Okay, there's one. And then I'm doing the same on the front one here. Just get that Allen key there. And we'll just tighten it on there. And there we go. Okay, so these can be pretty snug. You want these on there pretty snug for sure. Okay. All right. There's that. Okay, and that's opening this front door. Just going to make sure that it works okay. Put some batteries in and we're about good to go. Okay, so get my batteries in there. Oh, these are AAA, not AA. And then we use the Amazon Basics, of course. Love these batteries. They work really well. Not sponsored, but I wish I was. Okay, just put those in there. And then we're just going to slide our little thing right into place there. Look at that. That is clean. It comes with this little hole cover here. And we're just simply going to put that right in there. Oops. All right, we're going to try that again. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. That looks pretty sweet. Back to the keypad. Okay, friends, so here we are. If I want to add a new user code, activate the keypad first, enter the regular thing, and that green light means it's good. And now I can enter a programming code. Oops, I have to do that before, so. Okay. Okay, so the default user code is light up the keypad first, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number says 0. Green light. Okay, did 6. Hit the 0 6 times. Wait for the green exclamation point there and one long beep. Press 1. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Press 1 and then wait for the green thing and then new code. Press. So you got to do this quickly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Press 1. Okay. Enter new code. Okay. And we're good to go. I think. Okay. Enter new code. Okay, yeah, those are the steps. 0, 0, 0, 0. This all has to be done really quick. So I was just kind of waiting. You can't wait. You just got to go. So the 6 zeros, the pound, the hashtag sign, and then press 1 and hashtag sign. Just wait for the beep after that. Put in your code and hashtag. It beeps. Then put in the same code and hashtag again. It beeps again, and then it should be able to open. So here we go. Activate the pad. There we go. 4 7s, and it's open. And super easy to do. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And if we want to set another one, I'll try another one here if I can. I should have default code, delete user code, and change a programming code. So if I want to change a programming code, I can change that too. So right now the default is 0, 0, 0. And we want to change that to something else. Okay, so super easy to change that. Just follow the steps to change the user code. You just input the password and then just do real quick the steps. Wait for the green light and then just keep going. And we can also unlock this with our key. Just turn it up like that and it works really nice. Super smooth. And there we have it. Now it's locked. I put in my code and the hashtag, and it opens right up. All right, my friends. So, super happy with this. Install was really easy. This is super strong feeling. The code works. The keypad's really responsive. I really like that. Keys work nice. Everything was really top notch about this. Sorry it took a little bit longer on the coding thing, but I was just doing it wrong. So you got to do it right, and it works perfectly. Really happy with this. I like this seems like super sturdy, like industrial strength. This is like solid metal. And anyways, have a great day, my friends.